Did you know that almost 9 out of 10 traders lose money in the stock market? And not just that, almost 70% intraday traders gave up on trading within 1 year of starting and 95% by third year. One of the major reasons behind this is loss. Well, we are not here for losses, right? पर कई बार traders कुछ basic और common mistakes कर जाते हैं which cost them a humongous amount of money. So let's understand some common mistakes that you might be making and tips and tricks to avoid heavy trading losses. पर उससे पहले अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, then what are you waiting for? Do subscribe now and also tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any further updates. How to control your losses while trading? Number 1. Have a proper trading plan. If you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. ये पॉपुलर कोड ट्रेडर्स पर परफेक्टली फिट होता है. क्राफ्ट अ डिटेल्ड ट्रेडिंग प्लान अकॉर्डिंग टू योर यूनिक स्टाइल एंड गोल्स. एंड यस, डू प्रिपेयर ऑन योर ओन बिकॉज समवन एल्सेस शू may not fit you well. Write everything: your financial objectives, risk preference, time horizon preference, trading style such as day trading or swing trading or scalping, etc., criteria for trade selection, entry and exit strategies, preferred risk management techniques, return expectations, etc. to make a comprehensive trading plan. ये आपके लिए एक रोड मैप की तरह काम करेगा और आपको impulsively गलत डिसीजन लेने से बचाएगा. Make sure to stick to your trading plan and make adjustments in the plan according to market conditions and your experience. Number 2. Don't take decisions based on emotions. Yes, emotions can be your worst enemy sometimes. Let's say, for example, a particular stock becomes your favorite, maybe because of its backstory or product or something else. Now, in that case, if you ignore changing fundamentals or other important factors and stay invested, then brace yourself for potential losses. Sometimes your fear might push you to sell off your investments at the very sign of market fall. In that case, you may miss on future gains. या फिर ग्रीड की वजह से आप इन्वेस्टमेंट से एग्जिट ही नहीं करते कि कभी ये स्टॉक और ऊपर जाएगा. That could really backfire if the market turns. In short, not entering or exiting a stock at the right time just because of stories or feelings can cost you lakhs or even crores. ट्रेडिंग में इमोशनल से ज्यादा प्रैक्टिकल होना जरूरी है. So don't take impulsive decisions. Keep your eye on data and trends and then make decisions. Number 3. Use stop loss to limit your losses. Friends, setting stop loss is one of the best ways to limit your trading losses because it is that safety harness which prevents you from falling too far. Stop loss यानी आप एक पर्टिकुलर प्राइस लेवल सेट करते हो जिससे ज्यादा लॉस आप अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते या उससे ज्यादा लॉस आप नहीं चाहते. Suppose you bought a stock at ₹200 per share and it starts falling and you want your losses to be limited to 10%. So you set a stop loss at ₹180. So if the stock price drops to ₹180, your shares will be sold. Now even if the stock price drops to ₹150 per share, you don't need to worry much as you have avoided further losses by setting up stop loss. So whenever you want to buy or sell a stock, consider putting a stop loss order. Number 4. Use levels to predict stock market movements. अब स्टॉक प्राइस इंक्रीज होगा या फॉल, ये प्रिडिक्ट करने के लिए सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस लेवल का यूज कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ अ स्टॉक प्राइस हिट्स अ सपोर्ट लेवल, इट कुड बी अ गुड टाइम टू बाय as there is a higher chance of the price rising. Or if a stock hits a resistance level, it might be a good time to sell as there is a high chance that the stock would start falling. Plus support and resistance levels आपको stop loss level decide करने में भी help कर सकते हैं. You may place a stop loss below a support level when buying a stock, or you may set it above a resistance level while selling. This way, you can manage your risk by exiting your positions before losses become too large. Also, by identifying these levels, you can determine profit targets and compare them to potential losses. And then you can assess whether the potential profit actually justifies the risk involved in the trade. Should you go for it or not? This way, you can make more informed decisions. Number 5. Don't overexpose a position. कई सारे traders ये गलती करते हैं और रिपीट भी करते रहते हैं. If they believe the market or say a particular stock will continue to rise, they put too much capital in a market or in that particular position, or they make too many trades within a short period. Now each trade incurs transactional cost, so that will increase. And also, do remember that more trades do not always mean more profit. No doubt, the profit can increase if the market continues to go in your expected direction. But what if the market direction turns? You could lose a lot of money all at once. Number 6. Hedge against losses. Hedging यानी एक पोजीशन के सामने रिलेटेड एसेट में ऑपोजिट पोजीशन लेके लॉसेस का रिस्क रिड्यूस करना, जिससे एक पोजीशन में लॉस होगा तो दूसरी पोजीशन में प्रॉफिट, जिसकी वजह से ओवरऑल लॉस कम हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन यू टेक अ लॉन्ग पोजीशन इन अ स्टॉक, you may also buy a put option contract for that stock simultaneously. इससे स्टॉक प्राइस राइज होने के बदले फॉल होती है और स्ट्राइक प्राइस से भी कम हो जाती है, तो आप पुट ऑप्शन एक्सरसाइज करके लॉसेस ऑफसेट कर पाएंगे. इफ यू यूज दिस ट्रिक स्मार्टली, you will definitely win in control losses. Number 7. Take a note. Take a note. Yes, ये शायद old school sound करेगा, but it can be your secret sauce to avoid losses and improve your strategies. Take the time to jot down key details about each trade, जैसे कि basic trade details, strategy, profit or loss, reasons behind entering or exiting a trade, outcomes, etc. By this, you can understand what works and what doesn't. This would actually be a guide for future trades. By analyzing your notes, you can build a powerful feedback loop which will help you build better strategies. So these tips and tricks will help you control your trading losses. At last, you need to accept that whether you're a newbie or a seasoned trader, losses are part of your trading journey. So instead of trying to fight them, analyze what went wrong. This will help you make better decisions. And it is extremely important to update yourself with the latest market trends, news, and events. And to understand them in the easiest way, you just need to subscribe to our channel. और ट्रेडिंग से हाई प्रॉफिट जनरेट करने के लिए आप कौन सी स्ट्रैटेजीज यूज करते हैं वो हमें कमेंट सेक्शंस में जरूर बताना. एंड इफ यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो हेल्पफुल, देन डू टैप द लाइक बटन. एंड यस, do share this video with all fellow traders in your connection to help them control their losses. We will meet you soon with super interesting and informative videos. Happy trading!
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.